to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Funny Computer Hub. So in this training, I'm going to show you the second part of how to convert screenshot into editable post. Like I promised you that there are two I've done. The first one, which is OCR. Okay, if you have not been able to go through the video, I'm going to drop the link on the description below. Just check it out so that you'll be able to know about two tools that you can use to convert your screenshot into editable post. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this amazing tool which we call camsanner. This is a tool I've been using. It is so amazing. I've been using it and I still have it and I'm still using it, guys. So to do that, I've been able to explain to you what converting screenshot to editable post means. That is just an easy way of extracting text, okay, or elements from a screenshot. Okay, let's say for example you are online and so somebody sent you a screenshot and wants you to edit, remove some parts of the text and then add another thing to it. Instead of you to start from beginning and start typing the text, you can use these amazing tools and that image that was sent to you, you can just convert the image to an editable post to an extent that all the text that are, you can add more text to it. You can also delete the text that are in that image. Okay, so that is it. We are just going to experience it now and you're going to learn more. Okay, just to get started, I have this app called camsanner. You can get it on Google Play Store. You can just go over to Google Play Store and install it. Let me show you. Google Play Store, just Google Play Store should be in your phone. Play Store, you search for camsanner app, you search for it. Can you see? This is it. Okay, this is not, this thing and this thing is not the same. This one is tap scanner, but this one is camsanner. Is a bit confusing. I think this one is just trying to emulate these ones. Can you see? Okay, so there are a lot of things you can use this app to do. Let me just show you this. It is professional spreadsheet editing. Okay, there's a lot you can use it to do. Okay, there are a lot. You can scan anything to PDF, you can scan to Word, JPEG or anything. Okay, you can even scan your ID cards. Seriously, guys, there's a lot you're going to learn. Scanning of ID card is the world is actually digitalized already. It's before that we are saying that the world is going digital. It has been digitalized already. So guys, gone are those days when all this your government documents, your ID card, your international passport and all those things will just be an hard copy. Okay, even if right now, if you still have it as an hard copy, right now after this training, just get all those documents and begin to use this amazing to scan them. Okay, scan them and have it on your phone. There is something that happened to me one day. I wanted to do my international passport and I was asked to get someone that has an international passport and also the person details and all that. I thought of someone and I reached out to the person. Once I reached out to the person is not even close by. The person is far from me. Okay, but when I reached out to the person, I explained to the person that okay, I need these documents, I need your international passport, I need your passport photograph, and I need your signature and a lot of things. So within 10 minutes, guys, I say within 10 minutes, once the person has the details and so okay, there's no problem, that is gonna send it. Within 10 minutes, the person forward everything to me on my WhatsApp. The person is not close by. Okay, how did it do it? It made it easier that Even while he's traveling, all his details are with him. So you can use this amazing app and scan all your details. It will be with you. If you travel to London, add the printed format, then you go over to Safe Cafe and send it to them through your phone. They will print it out for you instead of you carrying the hard copy from one place to another. Okay, if for example now you are traveling and you don't know that that place where you are traveling to that they are going to require one of your confidential documents, and obvious you are not with it, it will be very difficult for you to get it. Except if you have brothers, you now ask them to get it for you and then snap and send it. But instead of you stressing someone, you can just get everything ready. Okay, so this amazing tool, you are going to use it to do all that. Okay, so let's get started. And again, can you see this tool? It says sign. You can also use it to add signature. Okay, you can just use it to add signature into your image. That is so amazing, guys. And next, you can now use it to extract and edit text. Can you see that screenshot? You make it to be an editable post. So guys, there's a lot. It's a protect with password, set PDF access password. Okay, so guys, there's a lot to this, so let's get started. Once you open your Play Store, type in camsanner and then install. I've installed it. Is on my phone, so I don't need to install again. That is why you're not seeing install here. What you're seeing here is update. Okay, but I don't need to update it. Let me just go over to my phone and type camsanner and then open it. So guys, this is the amazing app. So this is the interface of camsanner. Guys, there's a lot of things here. You just, once you open this app, play along, guys, play along. Okay, this is a smart scan. This is PDF tool. This is import images. This is import files. So this is ID card. This is extra text. This is new thing that was added. This is server AI. This also all. So there's a lot here. Okay, so that is it. The thing that is here now is that, okay, we have to calm down. If you calm down, you can see the home. We are on home. This is files. This is two. This is me. Another. I already have an account with okay, sign in to get more features. Okay guys, it means I have not even signed in. I have not signed in. Okay, let's sign in. Let's sign in my Gmail. Okay, I'm signing in now. There are subscription plans, but for me, I don't use subscription plans. Since I'll be using this tool, I've not even signed in. I'll just come here, do my own thing, download my file, and just waka, guys. That is how I used to do it. So if you don't even want to sign in, fine, you can still achieve something without signing. But right now, I've been able to sign in. Okay, I use my email to sign in, so it's actually okay to sign in with your email. I think one of the reasons why it will help you is that once you sign in, anything you added there to be saving it up for you. Okay, but for me, all the things that I've done with this app, if you can see, there is nowhere it's being saved. So I'll just come, it will solve the solution, it will solve the problem for me, and I'll just download it and go. Okay, so being we have signed in now, so I have to click on this file. Okay, if I click on file, this is all the things you're going to see. Okay, so I want to import an image. Okay, being I want to import an image, I click on import image. Remember, we want to do image to text, converting a screenshot to text. Okay, this is a screenshot too. This is a screenshot. It's a picture that I took with my phone. So I click on import. Can you see it's processing it? I can decide to crop, just adjust this. Okay, if for example I don't want to get number 1 to number 5, I can decide to crop it this way, then to remove all other ones. Okay, but I want to get everything. Okay, I'll just click next below. Can you see how you just adjust everything? Can you see now? It has been able to scan it. It's just scanning. Okay, so if I want to extract this text, click on extract text below. Can you see, guys? This is so amazing. This is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. Okay, this is why it is obvious here, is because that with it was written with pen, so it's over that computer may not be able to see everyone's handwriting. So guys, this is it. Once you have gotten it, you can just click check this. Okay, you can just check it and then save it. I want to save it as well, so it will not make it to be editable. If I want to save it as image, I will select this one. Okay, so as it's like this now, I can decide to export the document. Click on export and save to album. Click on save to album. If I want to change the name, this way I'm going to change the name. Can you name this and then save to album? Okay, so guys, that is it. Let me go back. There is another one I want to show you. You can still use this. Image if you want to take a picture. Okay, for example, the photo is not the screenshot is not in your phone, or maybe is your hand. You want to take a shot immediately, you can just use the camera and take a shot immediately, or you can even select this and then pick the image immediately from your phone. Okay, let me select this image. Okay, this is an outline for this 3 weeks free digital skill training. So I'll just select it and then click on import. Okay, I click next. It's cropping the image. Then I will now say I want this image to be converted to text. Okay, let me say extract text. Can you see, guys? Can you see everything is visible, right? Because it's been typed in and the write-ups are very, very clear, unlike the first one, right? So as it is now, I can decide to say, okay, let me send it to someone. If I click yet, I'll share it. If I click to Word and make it to be a Word document, okay, or I can decide to copy it. Maybe I want to send it to someone on Facebook or even on WhatsApp. I can decide to copy it. Okay, so that is it. I can check this and then that is it. Okay, then another thing is this. You can also select the colors that you want. If I want this thing to be black and white, B and W, I can select it to be black and white. Can you see? It's so amazing, guys. This is designs. These are designs. I think this one is even amazing. Okay, these are just designs. Okay, it's just color grading. Okay, but this is my original. Okay, I'll leave it at my original. So once I'm through, I can decide to edit this name. Okay, as I'm saving, let me say course outline edit. Okay, course outline edit. Then I want you to let me just do the editing. Okay, I want to save it as Word document so that we'll be able to see that we can do it. Even right now, I can decide to edit it. I can say, okay, let me add more. Okay, maybe we'll say add more. Add more. We are testing the cam scanner. Can you see now? This is just an image, and I was able to get all the write-ups that are in that image. So instead I can add, I can just type, I can just select all the text that I need. Can you see what I'm typing? I can edit, I can even remove. Can you see I can delete? Can you see, guys? This is so amazing. So as it's like this now, the next thing you have to do is this. Instead of, if for example you want to make it to be in your phone or even in your system, you just have to save it in your phone first, and then from your phone you send it to your system. Okay, or you can still use your system to do the editing and all that. Okay, so I have to click on to Word. I want to save it as a Word document. So you see extracting, you just started from the beginning to extract it again. Can you see, guys? As a Word document, so it's still editable. Can you see I can add more things, I can add something, I can delete. Okay, as a Word document now. So come here, I say let me name it so that we can see it. I'll show it to you on my gallery. Of course outline text. Let me save it with this, then I'll say export to Word. I click on export to Word. On your own time you can just play with all these tools that are here. Seriously, guys, you can play with all these tools that are here. Okay, so this is scan. You can even use it to solve mathematics questions and all that. So if you want to scan an ID card, you can select ID. Can you see it will now open up how your ID should be and all that. You click on make it, it will now scan it for you. But me, this is what I want to scan. Okay, so let me just use this. I'll select it, I'll click. Can you see it's scanning? It now asks me for the back, but this is not an ID card, guys. This is not an ID card, but let me just use it that way. Okay, so do you see what is happening now? Okay, so once you are to click on, you check this, you check it. Can you see? Can you see how it is? So this is amazing, guys. So if you have your ID card, you can just scan it. Once you scan it, you can come here, save the name, change it to ID card. Okay, you customize the name. Okay, you customize it so that once you save it in your phone, you can get it from there and send it. If for example you travel out and it's been needed, you can just from your phone print it out and submit it to bank or whatever, okay, that you are doing. So that is it. Once you are through, you save, click here, you click on save to gallery. So can you see that saved to my gallery? Okay, so that is it. There are a lot of tools that is in this app, guys. There are a lot of tools. We also have smart LS and all that. There's a lot of tools, guys, which you can learn more by navigating it. So to show you now where it is being saved, I have to go over to my gallery. When I open my gallery, I'm going to look out for cam scanner folder. Okay, anything that I actually use cam scanner to do, it I'm going to see it on that folder. Can you see here cam scanner folder? I'll just click it. Can you see the thing I just used as an ID card? Can you see the outline? Okay, so this is the first one we did. Okay, so that is it, guys.